Hello there. We are doing lessons 5 and 6 together because they have so much in common. Solving percent problems using proportion and solving percent problems using equations. So we're going to be looking at proportion first. So to solve a problem using proportion, there is a certain way to set it up. And this is pretty much how it is. You'll see what I mean when we look at the example. The is number is going to go on top, the of number on the bottom. If we're given a percent, that number goes here, and 100 goes under the percent. So once you have your number, you're going to get three numbers. Once you have your three, then you are able to simplify, just like we did in chapter 5. So let's look at our example. 36 is what percent of 125? All right, now we said the is number. 36 is. So 36 is our is number, and it goes on top. 36 is what percent? I don't know the percent. So since percent goes right here, we're going to put our variable there. Of 125. That's our of word, so it goes down here. Now, as you can see, the 100 is always there. So we have 36 is, 125 of, and 100, and we don't know the percent. Now we do just like we did in chapter 5. We multiply our two that are diagonal, divide by our third number, and what we get is our percent. And if you have a decimal, just like we did before, you will round it to the first decimal place. So in this case, it's 28.8%. The number that you get in that calculator window is your answer. Now, when we're using equations, we're really translating, using English words to translate into mathematical symbols and numbers. And then we solve it. So we're doing the exact same problem as before. 36 is what percent of 125? So 36 is a number. It translates into that same number. The word is would be equal to equivalent to an equal sign. What percent? That's going to be our unknown. Of means multiply. 125. So now once we have 36 equals n times 125, we know that we have to divide by 125 to get our answer. So 0.288 is equal to n. Here's the only difference between using an equation and proportion. In an equation, you come up with a number. And if the question is looking for a percent, you need to change it into a percent by moving that decimal 2 places to the right and then adding a percent sign. With proportion, no matter what you're looking for, whether it's the percent or whether it is the is word or the of word, the number you get in that calculator window is always your answer, and there's no moving of a decimal. Because of that, I think more people do tend to like the proportion way of doing this. You are welcome to do any of them either way. I will be explaining that on your worksheets. Good luck.